you're new, welcome to. If this is your first time seeing my channel, be sure to hit that subscribe button. Don't worry, I'm patient. I can wait for you to go ahead and do your thing. You know, go down there, click that subscribe button. Okay, now that we have become acquainted, be sure to also follow me on Instagram. My handle is down on the screen below. It's the same thing for TikTok. Be sure to check me out over there. This is my tutorial on how I do my everyday clean girl makeup. I am so in love with this trend because, baby, we are going into spring, and then after that, it's going to be summertime. We don't got time to be right here looking all cut up and chiseled all over the place. So sit back, relax, and enjoy the tutorial. Comment down below what you think and what else you want to see from me. Hey guys, so I'm going to start with the Supergoop Play. Now, I rated this on my Yuka app, and it did not get a good score, child. It did not get a good score. Said it had some hazardous ingredients in there, which I am heartbroken about because this sunscreen actually melts into my skin perfectly, like, y'all. But gotta find another one. And they do give some other options on there to use. I'm gonna try them out, and I really hope that I find one that melts in as good as this, like, y'all. What sunscreen melts into the skin like this? Like, girl, I'm just giving, do it. I'm gonna be using the Too Faced Hangover Primer. Why? Because I've had it here for a while and I just never use it, and I need to start getting rid of some stuff that's just sitting there. I might just risk it all for this sunscreen because, and I like to go up underneath the eye with the e.l.f. Power Grip Primer. I'm not going to do that yet until I'm ready to lay down my, what's that thing called? My concealer for the under eye. I'm going to go ahead and set all of this with some Laura Mercier. Okay, we're going to pull a jack in right now because I feel like the skin's a bit oily. You know, a bit slick, a bit slick and slide. So let's go ahead and set that. And this is in the shade medium deep, so the darkest one. I got a comment on one of my other videos that I need to start naming the shades of the products that I'm using, which I don't know why I haven't been. I don't know. But I'm gonna do better, y'all. I'm gonna do better. If y'all feel like there's anything I need to be doing better, or y'all feel like, you know, there's anything that I should be doing, feel free to let me know in the comments. I'm good with corrective criticism. Don't try me though. But you know what I'm talking about. That was a lot of powder. That was a lot of powder to get me to where I'm at right now. A latte powder, okay? Do some color correcting with this Sigma color correcting duo. This is the dark to deep one, and I'm gonna color correct around the mouth here. So you get a nice even canvas going on. Okay. I'm gonna let this sit for a little bit, and then I'm gonna go ahead and put some of my brow soap on my eyebrows. And let me show y'all, for the newcomers, this is what I'm using right now. I ordered a taller mirror because I love this double-sided, you know, mirror thing, but it's so short, y'all. Like, so I'm like sitting it on top of something, and I just want something taller. Now, I would go ahead and do the whole no foundation concealer type of thing. Nah. I'm gonna stick to what I know because I've never done that. So I'm gonna stick to what I know right now, and that's foundation all over the face. I should have did this and then set my face with powder because I also like to set my color corrector with powder so that it doesn't move much. So now I gotta reset again. This is one of those get ready, do my makeup in 30 minutes type of thing. If you have not seen that video, I'm gonna link it up here in the cards. Go check that out because I showed you how I do my makeup super duper fast. Let's go ahead and put the e.l.f. concealer underneath the eyes because that's what we are doing next. We are going to be putting our concealer. I'm going to be using the Too Faced Multi Sculpting Concealer in the shade Maple for underneath my eyes. Lay your head down, lay your head down and tight. Lay your head down, lay your head down and tight. Lay your head down, lay your head down. I noticed yesterday, well, Trend Mood posted that Zara is dropping complexion products and their foundation has 51 shades. You heard me, 51 shades. Like, yo. Listen, if you don't find your match, I gotta see which company has the most shade range. Which company has the biggest shade range, because 50, dog? That's nuts. That is nuts. That is shocking. What's even more shocking is the fact that I don't see my NARS foundation. Oh, here it is. So I'm using the NARS Soft Matte Foundation just to make this a little bit easier. This is in the shade New Caledonia. You know what? Let me go ahead and mix it with a little bit of my Danessa Myricks Yummy Foundation. This is in the shade 22 Neutral. Like, if y'all can see, so that 22 Neutral is the shade that I am. Oh, this is running. And that little bit of the Danessa Myricks is my shade. It was a really good shade. If you did not see that video of my first impression, my wear test and all of that, I'm gonna link that in the cards as well for you to go watch. So I'm gonna go ahead and put it all over my face with my finger. And this is what I was trying to say in my 30-minute makeup video, and it had to silence a huge part of it because I put a song in it that was copyrighted, so yeah. Anyways, so with that, I'm using my finger now instead of taking my brush and dipping it in there, because I always find that I have to go back in and add more foundation because the brush is soaking up the foundation, girl. So it's easier for me to do this and then blend it out. So down the nose, and here. Tap, 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 tap. Yeah, that is a gorgeous mixture. OMG. Let me fan this so we can get the drying process down. Do not have time for this. I do not have time for you. When she said that, I was like, ooh, girl. Not this old man. That girl used everybody. Using folks left and right. Okay. And if you don't know what I'm talking about the show Inventing Anna. If you're that kind of person that, like, you find either a movie reference to the things that you say, or you find a song reference, you my kind of people. We the same kind of people, okay? This cream contour. It's a contour and bronzer cream from Huda Beauty. This is in the shade Tantour, right? But I like it as a contour, so we're gonna use that as our contour. I don't know why people said to stop putting it there and start contouring up here, but no, a bronzer goes up there, contour still remains down here, okay? We are not adding warmth when we're adding contour, we're adding shadows. And the shadow you want is down here, okay? Let's go ahead and blend it out underneath the eyes. And I want to just keep it here. I don't want to drag it all the way out over there. Sometimes it's necessary. In this moment, it's not, because it's just not. Like, it's not necessary for me right now. So I'm gonna blend that and make sure that that highlight literally stays here. Like, you know. This is the Real Techniques 402 brush. It comes in a set. I like using this. It's a little bit rough, but this, how big it is, it gets the job done faster. Let's work on the brows. Normally I use the NYX Lift and Snatch Brow Pen in the shade Espresso, but I need to get rid of some of the products that I have here, so I'm gonna go ahead and use this Makeup Forever Dark Brown Brow Definer. Looks like this. Now, when it comes to my brows, I still like to see like my skin through my brows. I don't like the full-on filled-in eyebrows. If that's what you like, then honey, if you like it, I love it. But for me, I still like to see skin through it. So I'm trying to just lightly shade it and not even do too much. For the people that typically do their brows after their foundation, I really have to tip my hat off to you, because I don't know how you're doing it, boo. I don't know how you're doing it, because I'm very messy. And the way I have to go back and clean this up, it just baffles me how y'all don't be having to do that. Like, girl, what you made of, superhero? I'm gonna use my ABH concealer brush. This brush is crusty, but it gets the job done, okay? Let me uncrustify it for y'all. Okay, this brush is everything. Look how flat that is. All right, so I'm gonna use some LA Girl concealer in the shade, what shade is this in? Toast? Now it's time to set under the eyes. I'm going to be using my Dermablend setting powder in the shade Warm Saffron. Add in the powder, tap off the excess. Now before I do that, gotta make sure I blend out any creases that are here now. And then I will set immediately after. Now, because I felt like I've put on a little bit too much makeup, more than I want to, I'm not gonna bronze. I'm gonna just set my contour with some blush. This is from Beauty Bakery. Love this 2 pieces. And this is in the shade Hey Pumpkin. So it's gonna be adding that warmth that bronzer typically adds, and it is going to blush my face up as normal. So 2 for 1, baby. 2 for 1, baby. See how gorgeous that is? Ah! Okay, let me hurry up, y'all, because I got to go. I got 15 minutes to get up out of this house. Is that gonna happen? No. You know, we gotta go at the top of the forehead with a little bit of blush. All the way over here with a little bit of blush. And that's about it. And again, with that same brush that I used to blend my contour. This is just a regular fluffy brush that I got from Amazon ages ago. So I have no idea what or who or, you know, whatever. I have no idea. Going to grab a little bit of my face powder. This one is from MAC, and this is in the shade NW48 with this tiny angled brush that I have here. Come on. With this angled brush that I have here. Come on. There we go. That's an angle. And I'm gonna tap off the excess and just shape my nose a little bit with this. Bring that down. Bring that down. I don't shape my nose with bronzer because I feel like it's just too harsh. And we don't want that, okay? We don't want that. At least I don't, you know? Just want to create a nice shadow here. That's all. Up underneath the nose, up underneath here. That's about it. I'm going to take that same brush that I blended everywhere with, and I'm going to take some of that same powder, excess off, and I'm going to set over here and set everywhere up underneath here. Okay. Let's go ahead and use our one size mattifying waterproof setting spray. Little lip liner. This is Y'all, I've been using the hell out of this. This is from NYX. This is in the shade Club Hopper. I have a longer one, but I told myself to finish everything that I have here and stop wasting stuff. Let's just add a little bit of lipstick on. Oh, oops. This is oh, what is this? I have no idea, but I will put it on the screen what this is. I can't think of it off the top of my mind. Did y'all see where I put them lashes? These ain't the ones, but if I have to wear these, I will. But like, where did I put them? Look around your room. Go look around somewhere. Help me find them. You just sitting there watching me look. I mean, come on, help a girl out. Ooh. So you just gonna keep on watching me? You're not gonna help me look for my lashes? I don't get it. Dang. All right, girl, don't even worry about it. I found it. There they go. They're right here. I know who not to ask for help when I need it next time. Looking for something. Ooh, the way I like. My battery. All right, y'all, and that is the face. So I actually had to redo this video because I did not record an intro and an outro. So this is the same look I did, just a different day. I also found the name for the Sephora lipstick that I told y'all I will put on the screen. This is the Sephora Rouge Lacquer, something like that, but in the shade I Am Not Your Baby. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a big thumbs up. Subscribe if you are not already subscribed. Follow me on Instagram if you are not already following me. My handle is down on the screen below. It's the same thing for TikTok, so be sure to check me out over there. See y'all in my next video. Peace.